going on YouTube? Here with another Funko Pop video for you guys. I forgot to mention you guys last week, but I'm gonna be doing weekly hauls. At the end of the week, I'll show the video and all the hauls that I got throughout the week. So stay tuned for that. Here's a little preview of what I got this week. So you guys can see, but I'm gonna be opening and showing you guys anyway. So don't really matter. There we go. Yeah. So let's start off here with RoboCop. I love this guy. There's RoboCop. Here he is. Very, very detailed pop. There's RoboCop, guys. Set this off to the side because I got a few to open. Here I have Professor X. I went to go see the new X-Men movie yesterday. It's fucking awesome. I recommend to go see it. If you guys haven't seen that yet, go and check that out. Pretty dope. So I got here Professor X. Open this bad boy up. Now Professor X comes with a little stand. There we go. Really pops there. Really poppy. There's Professor X, guys. Alright, up next I have this Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn. Here she is. Now I am picking up the whole line of Suicide Squad that's coming up next month, so I'll be doing a video on those if you guys want to check it out. There's the Harley Quinn. Up next we have this Voltron. There's Voltron, guys. Voltron. Damn. Look at this pop. One of my favorite ones. I love the sword on them. I love the detail. Everything about them. There's Voltron, guys. Up next, I picked up these two at the same store. It was a local Bay Area toy shop. Arrow and Deathstroke. This is so detailed. The detail on this guy is insane. Here we have Arrow, guys. And now for the Deathstroke. These are so freaking detailed. It's amazing. Here's the Deathstroke. Really like what he has going on here at the back. Really like that feature they added on him. Okay, so this one I really like, guys. It's a Walmart exclusive. Batman vs Superman 2-pack. Glows in the dark. Yes, one side Batman, one side Superman. It's a 2-pack. I was hunting this down for the longest time, and I finally found them, so I had to pick them up. Let's see here. Let's open this bad boy up. Sorry guys, I'm taking so long. Here it is. The 2-pack. First off, here's Batman. Looking legit. Looking legit. Then of course Superman with the stand. Comes with the stand. Alright, so the last two I picked up, and these I picked up at a toy store down the street pretty much. I got first off I got this Black Panther, which I was hunting them down at Walmart but didn't seem to have them anywhere, so fortunately this place had them and he was the last one, so I picked them up. Here's the Black Panther, guys. Bubblehead. I love the bubbleheads. I don't know why they just don't make them all bubbleheads, seriously. Really fucking bubbly. Excuse me. There's Black Panther. And the last one I picked up this week was this Iron Man Mark 43. I had to get him. The detail on him is just out of this world. He's one of my favorite ones in my collection, so I just had to add him to my collection. I had to. It's a must. It's a must. It's a must. Now, this is badass. This here, guys, badass. The detail on him, out of this world. I love how Funko portrayed this Iron Man. Yo, that's it for my weekly video, guys. Thank you for watching. You guys want to keep checking out them Funko Pops, like and subscribe, please. Like I said, I will be doing one of these every weekend. So if you guys liked it, please subscribe. Now I want to be showing you guys a little clip of my collection so far. So here it is.
And I know you had a difficult situation with your son Daniel and the leukemia that he's fighting. And there's one thing I wanted to give to Daniel. This was from this past weekend.